Welcome to SolidWorks MasterCAM CNC Learner. Today how to draw cross belt 2D sketch. We'll learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and Part click and OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and draw the hair circle and draw the hair circle. Select. Now give the circle dimension 100, 35 and this circle and origin point distance 100. Okay. Now this origin point and this circle distance 100. Okay. This circle dimension 50. Okay. This circle dimension 20. Okay. Now this point and this point horizontal dimension 50. Okay. And this point and this point vertical dimension 60. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension 115. Okay. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now draw hairline. Select. Now draw hair. Select. Now draw. Now draw hair. Select. This line control this line tangent, and this line control this line. This line control this line tangent. This point control this line coincident. This point control this line coincident. Again coincident. This line control this line tangent. This point control this line coincident. This line control this line tangent. Delete. Now I can move here. This line control this line tangent. This line control this line tangent. Okay. This point control this line coincident. Again this line control this line coincident. Delete again. Move here. This line control this line tangent, and this point control this line coincident. This line control this line tangent, and this point control this line coincident. Okay. Make our job cross belt sketch. Now we can okay can move here, select here. Okay, thank you all. You can now check total length, select, go to evaluate and check measure. Total length 814.69 millimeter. Thank you all, everybody share and like. If have any question you can write comment box.